Here we've got LG K22, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select System and enroll Advanced. Here you will notice developer options, smoothly click on it. Once you cannot find developer mode right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer options, and then you will be able to easily enter them. So once you are here, scroll a bit lower, and here you will notice system demo mode. Mark it, and now smoothly by tapping on the switcher, you can activate this mode. From now on your device is in demo mode, and whenever you'd like to make it visible, just click on show demo mode. And this is it, that will be all. So you can activate demo mode. Obviously it can be switched off the same way, so this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.